In question 18, I'd like to show you how you can use your graphics calculator in order to solve simultaneous equations for x and y. Now, please note, there will be some times where you have to solve your work by pen and paper, either using the elimination method or the substitution method, but on other occasions you will be able to use your graphics calculator to either check or do the whole thing. Now, first thing we do, we go to the main screen and I bring up the keyboard. Now, on your keyboard, you'll notice a whole series of weird looking symbols. This one with the curly brackets and the two blocks, what we'll be using to put in our values or our coefficients of x and y. So that will bring up a little grid like so. Now, in the first instance, I've got y is equal to, so I'll just put y is equal to 5x minus 1. And then, for the second one, x plus 2y is equal to 9. Now, the calculator isn't that bright, so you've actually got to tell it that you're working in x and y's. So you can see there the answer, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. Now, when I write that down on the page, it would pay to write out what I've done. So a graphics calculator sets of instructions. So what we did, the curly bracket, and we write y is equal to 5x minus 1, and x plus 2y is equal to 9 in x and y, and our answers were x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. Now I'd like to show you how you can do something a little bit more complex than that. We'll have a look now at E. And in E, you've got 8x plus 3y is equal to 8. I should say D, we'll have a look at. Minus 2x plus 11y is 35 over 6. We do the same thing. So, curly bracket. And just use the tab. Now your fractions in this format look a little ugly, but it will still work out okay. And you've got to tell it x and y, and we find our answers 3/4 and 2/3. So what I do here, if I want to show that I've used the graphics calculator, I've got to just copy down the entry screen. And the answer I'll quickly show you how to set up part E. It works in exactly the same way, just we've got to use fractions as we go. And you can see there we get our answer pretty readily. Now please take some time to review these questions and build up your confidence. You should now be able to do a fair proportion of the assignment.